Global Capital Network. Hi, everyone, and welcome to Global Capital Network. I'm your host, Genevieve Chappelle, and today we're coming to you from the fashionable Island Hotel in Newport Beach, California. With a sun-filled sky and a slight breeze in the air, we're ready to get this investor pitch conference on its way. Welcome back to Global Capital Network. I'm Genevieve Chappelle, and I want to introduce you to a friend of mine, Brian Drew, a local VC here in Orange County, California. Now, we just had the Balboa Bay event, and now here we are at the Island Hotel. You have some exciting news that you didn't have at our last event. Tell me about the new startup.
Well, the new company is called G.O.A.T, greatest of all time, and it's something that we're very, very excited about. And it really brings together just so many different aspects of what people are looking for today. It's interactive, human interaction. So it's basically what it is. It's a card game. It's a card game for kids, kind of like Pokemon, except that with a sports aspect. And there's nothing like it on the market right now. Actually, we have patent pending. It is something that kids can play, they love, and all the testing, but it'll go into different levels of technology that we're going to be using as well. So it's something that we're very, very excited about. We're in deep discussion with the NBA, Major League Baseball, NFL, the Players Associations. We'll do hockey. There's other leagues that want to do something with us. And it's exciting because it's interactive. And that's something that they're missing right now. You know, because like if you remember old sports cards and stuff like that, people used to look at them and collect them. But it's a dying industry because there's no interaction. So here there's interaction. Kids are going to love it. Adults are going to love it. We're building out an athlete advisory team right now, actually, of former and professional athletes, and find some current ones as well. And everyone we've spoken to, they're very excited about it. They want to be a part of it. They want to invest. You know, all those different types of things, right? And so it's something that we know is going to be a real winner. And you know, even though I typically don't really get involved with startups, we've covered every base here, from distribution to technology, and we have all the phases lined out. We've done all the research, all the demographics, the actual play, you know, with the kids.
See, that's why you like it. That's what hooked you.
Kid at heart, right?
And with your background with ESPN, it's a really good fit. See, I gave you guys a tidbit. Most people don't know that you are involved with ESPN.
Well, I've been involved with sports in general for some time, and you know, that's where I started my career. And getting a chance to put together projects with, you know, the big names like Michael Jordan and Mickey Mantle and Wayne Gretzky and Joe Montana. So it's always been a soft spot for me, and I've had galleries. I've, you know, just on the side, you know, with everything else I do, is just because it's fun, and I like being
Let's
involved.
talk to the entrepreneurs here, because you touched on something. You said, I normally don't invest in startups, and yet this is a total startup. And why I think that's encouraging for entrepreneurs is somebody may think, you know, I'm not going to talk to him because we already know his reputation. He doesn't deal with, you know, startups. But that wasn't the case. So the reason why I think this is encouraging is because for entrepreneurs, you never know, right?
That's true. You never know. But there's some things here that made it different, which actually is a good lesson for entrepreneurs out there.
Let's talk about that.
Is that the creator and the founder, fantastic idea, had a fantastic idea, and you know, he would be a success without our involvement. I'll say that for sure. But he was wise enough, smart enough to see that he needs to build a team. And that's something that sometimes entrepreneurs don't always embrace, right? And the other aspect is that he's open. He's open to new ideas. And one of the reasons why this is so exciting and we're getting involved is because we're able to merge technologies and aspects of other companies that we're already involved with. And put it all together so that even though it is a pure startup, it's going to be able to go from here all the way over to here quickly. And a large part of that is because he's open and willing to, you know, take on new ideas. And that doesn't mean he just says yes to everything. I mean, there's pushback, and we go back and forth. Absolutely, but wheeling and bend is something that you just don't see enough of these days, and that's on both sides. I see investors like that too, that, you know, they only say, okay, we only do it this way and that's the only way. But I think that's kind of one of the things that we do to try to sets us apart. And myself having a background from venture capital all the way to investment banking and private equity and everything in between, I'm able to leverage all that experience and all those contacts and that network to really benefit something in a way I feel is more impactful.
I love having you at these events because not only do you always bring some exciting project, but you always educate our viewers. So thank you so much for taking the time to talk with us today.
And I want to say it's always great to see you. And the Global Capital Network, these events are the best events. They're fantastic. Love being here, love seeing, and again, it's people from all kinds of different backgrounds. I mean, I know people here from the angel world. I know people here from the investment banking world, everywhere. And it's just great to see old faces, old friends, and be a part of it, and
meet some new ones.
So certainly thank you, and it's always great to be here.
All right, well, check out brianju.com. It was terrific having you along with us today. Would you like to attend or participate in one of our upcoming events? We'd love to discuss that with you. For more information, check out www.globalcapitalnetwork.com.